Hello everybody. This week we're going to be making some snow cones with some snow people and ice cream cones. And the drawing that you're going to be doing is pretty creative. There are lots of different things that you can think about, lots of different accessories that you can add. But really we want to focus after your drawing on our coloring. So the couple that are already finished here, you can see that I did some shading all on this side of my snowman. So on the cone, I made it a little bit darker on this side. On each of the scoops, I made it darker on the left side. On the hat, I made it darker on the left side. Same with this one. The cone, I made it darker on the left side. It's hard for you to see on the camera since I just used gray on these scoops, but I made it darker on this side. On the left side, same with the hat. You can see I made it darker. So that's what you want to focus on. So let's go ahead and do another one here. Move this out of the way. And we will draw another one. So last week we also talked about sketching, and so we're really drawing lightly with our pencil. So that we can get the right shapes. If we mess up, it won't be that big of a deal because we drew very lightly, and it will be easier for you to erase. So I made some drips there, so it looks like mine's melting a little bit. And I'll do the second scoop, and it's up to you. You can see on this one I did 4 scoops. On this one I just did 2. It's up to you. There are lots of different kinds of hats I saw. We could make an ice cream cone for a hat even. We'll do that for this one. So the main thing that I want you to focus on this one I'm going to use some purple, I think, is that when you are coloring yours in, remember we talked about when just with one crayon, you can get a dark color and a light color. And it's all about how much pressure you use, hard pressure and soft pressure. So we want to use that hard pressure around the edges and light pressure on the inside. And then we're going to do a little bit of medium pressure for our shading. So over here on this side, we did a little bit of medium pressure for our shading. Again, hard pressure around the edges, soft pressure on the inside. I'm going to do a little bit of medium pressure here so it looks like this scoop is sitting on top of this scoop. It would make a little shadow there, and then a shadow with medium pressure here on this side. And now I will do the cone. You can add texture to your cone if you want to add like the stripes, because usually if it's a waffle cone, it has those crisscross lines. But same thing on your cone. You want to do some medium pressure on the same side that you did your shadows on your scoops, your ice cream scoops. So it looks like there's shadow. All right, and then any accessories that you add, you can even see on the hat here, I made that side a little bit darker. Same with this one. All right, and when you're done, make sure you take a picture and put it on Canvas so that I can see it, and I hope that you guys have fun doing this, adding lots of different things, being super creative, and make sure that you are practicing your hard pressure and soft pressure with your crayon or colored pencil, and making some shadows on the different parts of your drawing. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.